लाइफ सिर्फ चीज़ों के पीछे भागने के लिए नहीं होती, बल्कि उसको भरपूर जी लेने के लिए होती है। तो क्यों ना कुछ पल ठहर के इन लम्हों को जी लिया जाए और इस कीमती पल को अपनी आंखों में और दिल में हमेशा के लिए बसा लिया जाए। विद दिस पॉजिटिव थॉट, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Hey there friends, and welcome back to my channel Travel with Mommy. Today, guess what, where I am? I am at the Dokok, and it's the North Sea of the Germany, and it's very famous for its summer outing, and in winters a lot of tourists come to see this beautiful place. So guys, are you ready to explore this city with me with some fun facts and some adventure? So let's get started.
में इश्क होता दिखाई देने लग जाए तब समझ जाना सुकून का रास्ता शुरू हो गया। कहीं जागी हुई है कोई आरज़ू, कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए से है मैं और तू। शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर लहर जैसे बह रही है।
कहीं पे पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो फटाफट चलते हैं और इन्जॉय करते हैं अपना सी व्यू, बिकॉज आई कैनॉट रेजिस्ट फॉर दिस ब्यूटिफुल व्यू. सो हियर इट इज़. हेलो गाइस, सो जैसा कि आपने देखा कि मैं डोकोक में आई हुई हूँ और आई एम फ्रीजिंग राइट नाउ, बट द वेदर इज सो कोल्ड एंड ऑसम. एज यू कैन सी, Allah has made so beautiful creations, and the cows is one of them. I used to go there most oftenly, and when I call them, then they come so quickly for the love and affection, and I love to go there, and they are so beautiful. So these cows are commonly raised as livestock for meat or for drinking purposes of their milk, and they are also used for leather, and some are also used for riding and drafting of these animals. Sun is about to set, but the stormic air is so strong and it's so cold that my hands are literally freezing right now and I'm shivering with cold. But look at the view. The view is worth watching. And guys, you know the fun fact about the sea air, that it contains the negative ions and it helps to accelerate your ability to absorb oxygen and balance your mood and stress levels. So that's why people feel more alert and relaxed and energetic when they come to a beach and have their holidays, and they feel very good about it.
गाता है दिल तुम नहीं तो गीत कहाँ।
As you guys know that hotels often have the reputation for being one of the most haunted buildings, especially this hotel of Huzam. And it was about 50 years ago that this hotel caught fire, and no one know the exact reason why this hotel caught fire, and until now it's exactly in the same condition and no one dare to renovate it. And in neighborhood a lot of people get afraid and they heard unusual voices from these hotel. I get afraid too. So let's move and explore the other end of the sea too with me. So let's go and check this out. So basically this Dokok Sea of Hosam is very famous for its two tides that comes twice in a day. So it's really fun watching these. I hope when in summers I go back to this sea again and I will shoot for you guys. Until then, take care of yourself and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.
गाता है दिल तुम नहीं तो गीत कहाँ